In this short tutorial, you will learn how to add a phone number in Google Meet. Adding a phone number is an easy process. To get started, open up the Google Meet app. Next, look at the top left corner of your screen. Go ahead and tap on those three lines. This will open up a sidebar menu with various options related to your account. In this sidebar menu, tap on Settings. This is where you'll manage all personal settings related to your account. Tap where it says, Add your phone number. This will prompt you to enter some details regarding your phone number. Make sure that you check if the country code is correct before entering your phone number. The country code should automatically adjust based on your location, but always double-check just in case. Type in your phone number carefully without any spaces or special characters. Once you've typed it in correctly, tap Continue. After tapping Continue, you will receive a verification message. Simply verify your phone number, and you should be good to go. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.